If you're over 60, I want you to listen closely for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to share could change the way you start every morning, and how strong you feel for the rest of your life. What if the secret to rebuilding your muscles wasn't in a pill, powder, or complicated workout plan, but right inside your coffee cup? Yes, your simple morning ritual, that warm, comforting cup of coffee you've probably had for decades, could actually become your most powerful weapon against muscle loss. Most people believe weak muscles and low energy are just part of aging. But science says otherwise. There's a natural way to rebuild strength, improve balance, and even protect your joints, all by adding one simple ingredient to your morning coffee. And the best part? It's probably already sitting in your kitchen right now. You see, after age 50, our bodies go through a process called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. It starts slowly, almost silently. Your legs feel heavier when you climb stairs. You struggle to get out of a chair. You feel weaker holding groceries or playing with your grandkids. But here's the truth most people never hear: you can fight back. You can rebuild muscle naturally by giving your body the right nutrients at the right time of day, and that's exactly why your morning coffee is the perfect place to start. As someone who's spent more than a decade studying muscle health and recovery in older adults, I've seen small, consistent habits make the biggest difference. And this is one of them. Today, I'll share 3 powerful ingredients you can add to your coffee that will help your muscles rebuild stronger, faster, and naturally. And just wait until you hear number 2. Most doctors don't even mention it, but it not only feeds your muscles, it also helps protect your joints and keeps you moving freely. So grab your cup, and let's start with the first one. You probably already have it in your pantry. Ingredient number 1, collagen peptides. Collagen peptides are one of the most powerful, natural ways to rebuild muscle and protect your joints at the same time. After the age of 20, your body produces about 1% less collagen every year. By your 60s, that loss adds up, and you feel it. Your muscles don't recover as fast, your joints ache, and simple movements take more effort. Collagen is like the scaffolding that holds everything together: muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints. Without enough of it, your body starts to feel weaker and stiffer. Adding collagen peptides to your coffee gives your body an immediate source of the exact amino acids needed to rebuild muscle tissue and strengthen connective structures. It's pre-digested protein, so it absorbs quickly and gets to work fast. How to use it? Add 1 scoop, about 10 grams, of unflavored collagen peptides to your cocoa coffee. It dissolves completely and has no taste. When combined with cocoa's flavonoids, it creates a powerhouse mix that supports both muscle repair and joint health. If possible, choose collagen sourced from grass-fed animals. For vegetarians, use a plant-based amino acid blend. It offers similar, though slightly different, benefits. Here's a story that always sticks with me. Paul, a 72-year-old retired carpenter from Texas, had such stiff knees he could barely walk around the block. After 6 weeks of adding collagen to his morning coffee, he wasn't just walking again, he was helping his neighbors with small home repair jobs. His wife told me, "It feels like I've got the old Paul back." That's what happens when you give your body the right tools. Now, the first 2 ingredients focus on building and repairing your muscles. This next one gives you the energy to stay active all day long. Ingredient number 2, dark cocoa powder. This might surprise you, but adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened dark cocoa powder to your coffee can boost your body's ability to build muscle by nearly 25%. Here's why it works. Cocoa contains a powerful compound called epicatechin, a type of flavonoid that improves blood flow to your muscles and helps your body use protein more efficiently. Think of it like opening up the highways that deliver nutrients directly where your muscles need them most. Better circulation means more oxygen, more amino acids, and more strength, especially in your legs, which are often the first to weaken with age. How to use it? Start with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder in your morning coffee. Stir it well. If it tastes too bitter, add a small touch of honey or stevia. Drink it within 30 minutes of waking up, when your body is naturally primed for muscle repair and growth. After a week, If you enjoy the flavor, you can increase to 2 tablespoons. I remember working with Helen, a 67-year-old from Ohio. She used to struggle climbing the stairs to do her laundry. Just 3 weeks after adding cocoa to her morning coffee, she told me she could walk those stairs with ease, even carrying a laundry basket. She said she felt stronger and more energetic throughout the day. That's the power of blood flow and muscle nutrition working together. But while cocoa helps build muscle during the day, this next ingredient does the heavy lifting at night. Ingredient number 3, MCT oil. If you often feel tired by noon or need an afternoon nap just to get through the day, this one's for you. Adding half to 1 teaspoon of MCT oil to your coffee provides clean, long-lasting energy that fuels both your muscles and your brain. Here's the science. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. Unlike regular fats that take hours to digest, MCTs are absorbed quickly and converted into energy within minutes. This means your body gets a steady, reliable fuel source that doesn't spike or crash your blood sugar, helping you stay alert, focused, and active. And active muscles stay strong. How to use it? Start with half a teaspoon of MCT oil in your coffee, and slowly increase to 1 teaspoon. Stir it in after adding the cocoa and collagen. If you have a blender, give your coffee a 10-second blend. It'll turn smooth and creamy, almost like a latte. Just one note of caution: start small. Too much MCT oil too soon can upset your stomach. And if you have gallbladder issues, check with your doctor first. If you prefer a gentler alternative, coconut oil works too. I'll never forget Linda, a 65-year-old grandmother from Florida. She told me she used to crash every afternoon and needed a nap before dinner. 2 weeks after adding MCT oil to her morning coffee, she said she was chasing her grandson around the playground. No naps, no fatigue. She called it her Grandma Fuel. Now that you know the 3 ingredients, let's talk about how and when to use them for the best results. Timing and consistency matter. Your muscles follow a daily rhythm. They're most receptive to rebuilding and repair in the morning, right after fasting overnight. That's why this coffee works best within 30 minutes of waking up, before you eat breakfast. Make it part of your morning routine, not a random habit. Consistency matters far more than intensity. It's better to drink this coffee 5 days a week for a month than to do it daily for 1 week and stop. Muscles grow and strengthen through regular nutrition and steady habits. Here's your quick step-by-step ritual. 1. Brew 8 to 10 ounces of your regular coffee. 2. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. 3. Add 1 scoop of collagen peptides. 4. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of MCT oil. 5. Blend or stir well, and drink it within 30 minutes of waking up. What to expect? Week 1. You'll likely notice steadier energy and clearer focus through the morning. Week 2, your legs may feel stronger, and you might notice less stiffness when standing up or walking. Week 3 to 4, everyday tasks feel easier: stairs, carrying groceries, getting out of chairs. Everyone responds differently, but consistency pays off. A few precautions. Before starting any new routine, especially if you take medications for blood thinning, diabetes, or digestion, talk to your healthcare provider. These ingredients are safe for most people, but your doctor knows your health best. This coffee doesn't replace a healthy diet or medical care. Think of it as a tool, one that helps your body stay strong, independent, and active. Dark cocoa powder improves circulation and helps your muscles use protein better. Collagen peptides rebuild and repair muscles while supporting your joints. MCT oil fuels your body and brain with clean, lasting energy. Together, they create the perfect combination for strength, mobility, and vitality, all starting with your morning coffee. And the best part? You don't need anything fancy. No expensive powders or complicated recipes. Just a few simple ingredients that cost less than one restaurant meal, and could change how you feel for years to come. So here's my question for you. Which of these 3 ingredients will you try first in your morning coffee? Let me know in the comments. I read every one because your stories help others take that first step too. And if you found this helpful, Check out my next video on 5 simple exercises you can do right from your kitchen chair to strengthen your legs even faster. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to big, lasting results. Here's to stronger mornings and stronger days ahead.